My Škoda needed these parts to operate properly. This is the crankshaft sensor, and it has been really bad. It has been cutting off the engine a lot, and it's due to the wear and tear. And as you can see with this video, how bad it is. Like, the surface is actually charred, and I don't know how this week was running, Alright, but thank God it has been changed, and you can see from the surface how it is actually scored. Now the air, the intake filter, which has never been replaced, and this is how the new one looks. Like, I don't know how this guy was actually breathing, but thank God it was operating. This is the first time we're changing the oil. It was black and has some brown particles in it, which I assume was sludge, since the owner was not changing it on time. Now this is the lower manifold where the injectors is attached, and you can see that the seals are actually leveled with the facing of it, which needed to be replaced, which I did. And this were the original spark plugs from it, and you can see how bad it is. Now this is how the engine sounds. Oh god, it still needs a little bit more to be done. The code for the O2 sensor came up, and it needs to be replaced along with the contacts. I'll make sure this unit to see what else happens. Yeah.